Our office needed new furniture, new desks, new chairs, new shelves. But first, we had to move everything out. The only day we could do it was Saturday. The office is too busy during the week. I asked my team to come in and help. I told them everyone who helped would get Friday off, a 3-day weekend. That is a fair deal. I asked for their Saturday, so I should give something back. Saturday morning, I got to the office early. I changed into an old t-shirt and jeans. I was not going to watch. I was going to work. People arrived one by one. Some brought coffee. One person brought donuts. Everyone was ready. We started with the big things. We carried desks out into the hallway. We stacked chairs near the elevator. Then we opened old cabinets. Some of them had not been opened in years. There were folders and papers from a long time ago. We made 2 piles, one to keep, one to shred. The shred pile was much bigger. The shredder was running all morning. Someone joked that it was the hardest worker in the room. When we moved the desk away from the walls, I could not believe how much dust was behind them. The office always looked clean, but behind the furniture, it was a different story. We swept and wiped everything. Someone cleaned the office plants too. They looked better already. Around noon, I ordered pizza for everyone. We sat on the floor because there were no chairs left. It felt strange, but fun. After lunch, we finished the last few things. The office was completely empty. The room looked so big without anything in it. Everyone was tired, but the room was ready. New furniture would arrive on Monday. I looked at my team. They gave up their Saturday for this. Every one of them worked hard. I said thank you, and I reminded them, Friday is yours. You earned it. I meant it. A promise is a promise.